If you are a developer and facing storage issue, this video is a quick tutorial to free your space. Let's free the space. First of all, open the blog. Here all the process are written step by step. If you are using Xcode, then you probably heard of derived data, which contains the large size of cache files for the project. Run the command in project directory to delete derived data and also remove old device support files. Clear npm and yarn cache, and also you can delete node modules of the projects if they are not used. If you are using Docker, remove and use Docker container. Clean old homebrew packages. If you are an Android developer, then the Gradle cache is the one that takes large amount of space. Delete Gradle caches. Remove old logs and cache of your Mac. These are the main steps that can significantly free the space of your macOS. If you are still facing the storage issue, open Storage Management under Storage, where you can review the files and folders that are taking space with the size. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.